This video I will teach you steps by steps on how to activate Facebook Professional Mode. Welcome to No Allow channel. Our teams are doing our best to give you all the information you need through step-by-step guides on how to navigate through various online transactions. Without further ado, let's begin to our topics today. Have you noticed that some of your Facebook friends have been turning their profiles to pages? It's called Facebook Professional Mode. This new feature on Facebook was specifically designed to allow everyone on the platform to grow their audience and do business on their profiles. For most people creating content on Facebook, monetization might be the goal. There might be signs that Facebook is trying to get everyone to monetize their content as well. Another important feature that Professional Mode gives to you is the ability to see your audience insight. Audience Insight is a professional dashboard where you can see the analytics of your content. This will help you to better understand your audience. You can see all information you need, like post reach, post engagement, new followers, gender of your audience and age, reaction and comment and even clicks, and how many they shares your post. This dashboard really works like a pro. You're gonna love it. Steps on how to activate Facebook Professional Mode. 1. Update your Facebook Blue app. 2. Tap on your profile and touch the 3-dotted button. 2. You will see the Professional Mode at the bottom, then click on it to switch into it. When can I monetize my content? While you're on Professional Mode, you can only monetize Reels for now. I believe monetization for other types of content, such as feed videos, will be available in the future. How many followers do I need to monetize my content? For Facebook pages, that would be 10,000 followers and 600,000 minutes of watch time. For Facebook profiles, you can monetize any amount of followers. Remember, you can only monetize Reels for now. Can I run ads on Facebook Professional Mode? Right now, you can't. It isn't clear from Facebook if they're going to bring in this feature in the future. My take on Professional Mode. Professional Mode is a good tool to have. For anyone trying to build an audience, this will help you grow faster. But also remember that Professional Mode is not a replacement for Facebook pages. That's all folks for now. Congratulations! You now have a chance to earn money in Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you think you like it, please hit the like button and share. If you are new to this channel, I hope you subscribe so that you will be notified for our new upload. Thank you for watching and God bless. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.